Hello there, Alex Sturgeon, HobbyTown HobbyPlex. In October of 2023, I was fortunate enough to get samples of the brand new, newly released JConcepts Fuzz Bite for the Mini-T and Mini-Bs. It's literally a shrunk down version of its highly successful 1/10 scale counterpart. I wanted to show you guys myself putting through its paces. I used one set of tires for the entire carpet off-road season at the HobbyPlex from late October all the way through to the end of February, and I want to show you the results. So we started out using it on office carpet at the RC Pit Stop Fall Classic, and then went from there. So let's check out how we did.
But you pack a lot of punch. Your practice has started. Once again, this practice is for Mini-B drivers only.
Unknown driver. Jace Peterson. Dallin Stevens. 15-9. 16-3. Jace Peterson. 18-5. 16-7. 16-8. 20.9. 17-2.
All right, we're 2 months into the season at this point, running pretty much every Tuesday and during our Carpet Off-Road Syndicate, which was about once every 2 weeks, and practice and racing, of course. So lots of racing on these tires, and you can see the wear has been phenomenal. Haven't used tire sauce at this point, and again, this is about halfway through the season on CRC black carpet at the HobbyTown HobbyPlex. All right, so we all know how finicky the ball cups can be on the Mini-T and Mini-B. Turns out they're even more finicky when you're using JConcepts wheels. The top of the ball cup can rub the inside portion of the rear wheels, especially when you get a lot of droop in your car, which causes the car to bind up, makes it drive funny, basically just kind of ruins the experience. So I'm going to show you guys how I fixed it. Okay, so what you're going to need is just a really sharp X-Acto knife. And I found that it's better to do this with the ball cup onto the actual tie rod, so you can have something to hold on to. And you're just going to go straight across the round top of the ball cup itself. It doesn't have to be exactly perfect. Obviously, you don't want to take too much away, but just make sure that you're going straight across so that we have just enough clearance when the rear end's at full droop. All right, there you go. Totally fixed, totally free. Now you can be totally confident that your fuzz bites are going to work to their maximum, so you can get out there and attack the track. Okay, one set of tires for our entire carpet season. Again, ran almost every Tiny Tuesday between October and February, and then our carpet off-road racing about about once every 2 weeks or so during the wintertime. And you can see the wear was phenomenal. That's one of the benefits of these new Fuzz Bites is they last incredibly long time. They do also in the 10 scale, but now that we're running these on the 18 scale, they last even longer. I think the fronts actually did better than the rears, which is actually quite a bit different from the previous combo that we were running, the twin pin and swaggers. And you can see that there. That's after 1 month. So that was back in October. That's a set of rear twin pins and a front set of swaggers. And you can see the swaggers really wearing down quick. Both great tires, especially on, I think, office carpet. They definitely last longer. But on that CRC black stuff that we have at the Plex, twin pins, definitely better. Never really had a loss of grip. I did use tire sauce there towards the end, probably the last month on the rears, not the fronts, because otherwise I'd flip over all the time. But you know, we allow SXT white tire sauce at our track just because we found that the black CRC carpet can wear out tires so fast it can start to get pretty painful on the wallet. So we let guys kind of stretch out their tire a little bit by using some tire sauce, and that's what I started doing at the end there too, and it took it really well. We only had to do it once. The rest of the night, not so much. So never had a loss of grip, that's for sure. And they handle really good, keep the car nice and flat. Never really had a problem with them flipping over. I do recommend gluing the outer edges of your front tires on just about anything on carpet. It just helps you out a little bit to smooth out the car. So, but besides that, I'm super happy these are now out for the general public to get a hold of. And at the time of this video, the Plex should be getting them in shortly. So hopefully your local track gets them in too. Hope you find this video useful. And yeah, that's all I got to say. You guys have been awesome. Thank you. Make sure that you subscribe, like, tell your friends, and we'll make another video for you soon.